Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you this soft glam makeup look using some warm tones and some shimmers, and hopefully by the end of this video, you have learned something new, some new tips and tricks on how to achieve this eye makeup look. Now, this is one of my favorite kind of eye looks to wear. It's just kind of like a soft glam look that you can wear for a lot of occasions, for like bridal makeup, special occasion, for your birthday. It's just timeless and I think it will suit everyone. Now, the first thing you want to do is prime your eyelids. This will remove all the redness from the eyelids, so you will have like a nice clean canvas for all your eyeshadows. And it will also make your eyeshadow more long lasting. Now I'm going to take the Rebecca Stella, the original eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to start with the color Mocha and just start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner and just making sure that I really warm up my crease area. Now for this you want to just take like a nice fluffy blending brush. The softer the blending brush, the softer the application is gonna be, and the bigger the brush, the wider it's gonna be like blended on your eyelid. So you don't want to go in like with a super big fluffy brush, but kind of like a medium brush, just like the one that I have. Then now for the next step, I'm gonna go in with the color Dark Cacao. I don't really know how you pronounce that in English. I take the same brush, but now I'm really focusing at the outer V area. So I still kind of want to blend it in my crease, but the main focus of where I'm gonna place this color is like at the outer end of my crease and the eyelid. So I will have like more of a darkness area at the outer part. And I'm just kind of making circular motions with my brush. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but hopefully by seeing me doing it and like the motions that I'm making with my brush, you can kind of try to do the same thing and hopefully you will achieve the same results. But I would just say take your time with this. Just first apply a little bit on your brush and just blend, and you can always add more product to like really build it up and make it darker and darker. Now at the end I went in with a big fluffy brush with a little bit of that previous color and just blended that around the edges. And now I'm going in with this beautiful sparkly shade and I'm just using my finger to apply this. So I don't want to apply this all over the eyelid. I'm kind of keeping it like in the center and in the inner corner. And I'm just trying to make sure that I apply a few layers to make it look as shimmery as possible and just to kind of like get as much color payoff as I want. I think you can use this eyeshadow in like different ways. You can also make it wet to give it more of like a metallic finish, but I just kind of wanted to keep it more like it was. And it just had this beautiful sparkle. I actually got a lot of compliments. I went to the store to grab like some shampoo, and this girl behind the desk said like, "Oh my god, your eye makeup is so pretty, it looks so professional." And that was so sweet. I never really know like if people even notice my makeup, but it was so cute. But I'm not really the person to tell her like, yeah, I'm a YouTuber, I do it for work. I find that kind of cringy, but yeah, it was really sweet that she noticed my eye makeup. So if you want to get some compliments, this eye look will do the job. So I just blended a little bit more of that dark brown shade along kind of towards the lash line, but not all the way towards the inner corner, to kind of give it a smoky effect. And then on top of that, I went in with this black eyeshadow and also blended that and kind of giving in this like smudgy, smoky effect. It just really makes your eyes look so sexy, sultry. It just gives a really beautiful effect. So then for my waterline, I went in with a warm brown pencil, and this one is by Makeup by Mario one of my favorite pencils for the waterline. It's just super pretty. And then I'm going to go in with a mixture of the colors that I just showed and use a flat definer brush from Sigma and use this for underneath the lower lash line. I have a special discount code for Sigma Beauty brushes, which are my personal favorite brushes. They're just super nice quality, and they also have a warranty on their brushes, which I think is so cool. But you probably won't use it because I have some brushes which are like 7 years old and they are still looking as new. They're just super good quality, so you won't regret like getting them. So I used a little bit of that color underneath the lower lash line, just like not all the way underneath the lower lash line, just like underneath the inner corner area and just a little bit towards the middle part. And then I curled my lashes and I went in with this mascara, which is the Intense Black Mascara from Queen Tarsi. Such a nice mascara. It really makes my lashes super long. I think it's actually one of the best mascaras I currently own. And I just decided to only use this mascara and not go in with any fake lashes because I felt like it really made my lashes look super long. And I also was a little bit in a time hurry because it was my sister's birthday, so I had to go there. So I felt like let's just keep it this way. It will also make it more easier to recreate, but obviously, if you do wear fake lashes with this eye look, it's gonna look even more glamorous. But of course, that's totally up to you if you recreate this makeup look. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Let me know if this is a look that you would wear. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is super helpful for my YouTube channel and I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
Even if you try